Do you want to watch shows on Pluto TV with subtitles? In this video, I will show you how to enable subtitles on Pluto TV app step by step so you never miss a word of your favorite content. So let's go to know how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Pluto TV app, as you see here. Then you will wait a moment until the first page appear for you or to you here. As you see here in this first page of home, you will go to home as you see. Then you can choose any shows or anything you want to watch. For example, let's choose this one here, Caroline, or anything you like to watch. And then you click on play now, as you see here. Then in this first page, when it starts, as you see, you will find these three dots here. So we click on three dots. After that, you will find here audio and subtitles. So you will tap on audio and subtitles. Try again here, audio and subtitles. And then you will find here, first you will find it off, but yeah, you will click on here English subtitles and you will find them here as you see. So when the show is started or the film or anything here, the subtitles will be appear here on this window as you see. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.